Okay. So we'll move to the next question. Question number 24. The pie chart shown here is constructed from data obtained from a sample of 60 people about their preferred media. Find the number of people who like television. Okay. So, television, you can see 90 degrees. Normally, a circle means the angle around a point is 360 degrees, no? So, out of 360 degrees, 90 degrees for television. Okay. Then, out of 360, 90, that means 1/4, right? 1/4 of the total circle, okay, represent television. So the question is find the number of people who like what? Who like television. So out of these total 60, okay, 1/4 means how much? That is equivalent to 15 people. Therefore, 15 people like to watch what? Television. Then the next one they are asking, find the central angle of the segment representing social media. The number of people who like social media is 20. The number of people who like social media is given, and they are asking to what? Find this particular angle. Okay. So how can we find it? Now, 60 people represent 360 degrees. Right? Then 20 people represent how many degrees? So let's get some x degrees. Okay. So 60 when you divide by 3, you will get 20. Same as this. 360, you have to divide it by 3. So 360 when I divide by 3, I will be getting 120 degrees. Therefore, the number of people who like social media is what? That is 120 degrees. Okay. So normally in pie chart, you get two kinds of question. One is they can give you the angle and they can ask you to calculate the number, find the number of people. Another one, they can give you the number of people and they can what? Ask you to find the angle. Okay, then note down that. Okay, then we'll move on to the next one. So next one is question number 25. Three cities P, Q, and R are located as shown in the figure. P, Q, and QR are two straight lines. Okay. A bus stand is situated equidistant from PQ and QR and 6 km from PQ route. So it should satisfy two conditions. What is the first condition? It should be situated equidistant from PQ and QR. And what is the other condition? And 6 km from PQ route. So equidistance from PQ and QR means you have to construct the angular bisector. So we'll just recall some constructions. So how do you construct the angular bisector here? Now we have a line called QP. QP here. And we have what? We have QR. So what I'm going to do means, okay, or I'm going to keep my compass at this point. I'm going to draw an arc like this. Then what you have to do, keep the compass at this point, again draw an arc here, keep it here, and again draw an arc. So if you join these two, what you get is what? Angular bisect. Okay. So what we are going to do after constructing that, we will join like this. Okay. Then, so a point you have to join it like this. And it should be 6 km, okay, from this also. This condition also should be satisfied. And 6 km from PQ route. So the point which satisfies both of them, he can what? He can keep a letter. That is T. Okay. So that means we have to construct the angular bisector as well as what? As well as 6 km from this. It's a what? It's a simple construction. Then the next one. Of the total number of students in a class, 3 over 7 students study geography, one third studies citizenship, and the rest study accounting. Write the number of students studying geography and civics as a fraction of the total number of students. So that means they need the number of students who study geography and civics as a fraction of the total number of students. How to do that? Number of students who study geography is given for us. That is 3 over 7. 3 over 7 students study geography. Then citizenship is what? One third of the students study citizenship. So we have to add these two fractions to calculate the total number of students who study what? Geography plus civics. So first of all, how can I add these two? I have to find LCM. So 7 and 3, if you find the least common factor, you will get 1 here. If I divide by 7, 1 comma 1 here. 7 into 3 is 21. So 7, how can I what? Make it 21 means I have to multiply by 3. So if the denominator we are multiplying by 3, numerator also we have to multiply by 3. So 3 into 3 is 9 plus 3 into 7 is what? That is 21. 1 into 7, that is also 7. So 7 plus 9, that is equivalent to 16 over 20. Okay. So that is the answer for the first one. That is the total number of students who study what? Geography and civics. Okay. And note down that that is the answer for the first one. Okay. So the next one they're asking, what is the number of students studying accounting as a fraction of the total number of students? Okay. So what is the idea you all have to use for that means? Normally, when we add all these fractions, we get 1. That means normally in a class, they have divided the class into 3. 3 by 7 students study geography. 1/3 study citizenship. Okay. Then the remaining will study account. So we know 3 by 7 is the number of students who study geography. 1/3 study accounting. So I can write like this. 3 by 7 of the students study geography. 1/3 study accounting. I have to calculate the number of students. Okay, sorry, 1/3 study civics. I have to calculate the number of students who study account. As a fraction, I have to find. When I add all these 3, I will be getting 1. Okay. Total is 1. Okay. So normally any kind of fraction question, this idea we can use. That means what they are telling, a class, okay, they are divided into 3 categories. Geography, civics, account. When you add this one plus this one plus this one, we get 1. Okay. So we have to calculate now the fraction of the students who take what? Accounting. Then 3 by 7 plus 1 over 3 already we have found. Okay. That is equivalent to 16 over 20 plus accounting. That is equivalent to 1. Therefore, A is equivalent to 1 minus 16 over what? 16 over 20. So that is, you can take 21 as this here. So here we have 1. No? Here we have 1. So 1, how can you make 21? You have to multiply by 21 up and down. This also you have to multiply by 21. Therefore, 21 minus 16, that is equal to what? 5 over 21. Therefore, the fraction of students who take accounting as a subject is what? That is 5 over 21. Okay. You note down that. So these kind of question they can ask, okay, normally geography and civics means you add those 2 fractions. We want to find the accounting from the total. That means from 1, you have to deduct geography and civics. Then what you get is the answer, the number of students studying accounting as a fraction. So if you all have a doubt why when we add all these fractions, it's what? Just I'll tell you an example, an easy example. Now let's tell you have a cake. Okay. You are splitting this cake into like 4 equal pieces, right? 4 equal pieces. I am splitting. Now, here we have 4 people now. Okay. So this is for Darsha. Okay. So this is for Mohammed, this piece. Okay. This is for Yasir, this piece. And this piece is for Zainab. Giving a cake. So D gets out of 4 portions. 1, 2, 3, 4. D gets 1. Mohammed is what? Out of 4 portions, he also get 1. Then Yasir, out of 4 portions, he also get 1. Then Zainab, out of 4 portions, he get 1. If you add all this 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 4 over 4, right? Which is also equal to 1. That means if you add all the fractions, finally you get 1. So here we have geography, citizenship, accounting means geography plus citizenship plus accounting should give 1. So geography plus citizenship is 16 over 21 means. So 16 over 21 means what is the remaining fraction? Out of 21, 16 went for geography plus citizenship is the remaining 5. 21 minus 16, the remaining 5 over 21. That is what? That is by account. You can directly write those. Okay. Okay, then no doubt.